Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. My name is Tanya with Mind, Body, and Soul Company, and I make aromatherapy, bath, and beauty products. For today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of some things I got from Nurture Soap. Thought you might like to see some of the things they have available, so let's go ahead and get into the haul. Okay, so the first thing that I got was their 4-in-1 measuring spoons. I had one of these, but I really like them, so I went ahead and picked up two more. You can see there's tablespoon, teaspoon, and then on the other side, half teaspoon and quarter teaspoon. They're really easy to keep clean, so super nice to have on hand. Then I picked up two different melt and pour bases for embeds. These are supposed to be low sweat. So I got a clear one and then a white one. So excited to try those out. And those weren't very expensive. Then, get this out of the bag. I decided to give their lye a try. It's beads instead of the flakes, so it's supposed to be not as staticky. So I'm gonna give this a try. I've tried it from a few different places so far. I've gotten lye from Brambleberry, from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and now I'm gonna try Nurture and just see which I like the best. Then, since I was placing an order anyway, I was almost completely out of sodium lactate. With my soap batter recipe, I do need the sodium lactate, so picked up some more of that, and that's a good size bottle, so that was nice. Then I picked up two different fragrances. Now, the fragrances, I will say, were on the pricier side, but thought I would go ahead and give them a go. So the first one I got is Earth Meets Sky, and it's kind of a musky, ambery, I think there's some patchouli in it, but really nice fragrance if you like those kind of earthy fragrances. Then the second one I got is still kind of that same line. It's Somali Soul, I think is how you say it. This one's a little bit of a lighter scent, so really like that as well. Now, these are 4 ounce each. The Earth Meets Sky does have vanillin. This one does not. But as I said, they were on the pricier side for the 4 ounce fragrance oils. They were around $11. And then the last things I picked up was a whole bunch of different micas and glitters. Let me get those pulled out. So this first one here is an Envira glitter, and it is super sparkle, and as you can see, very sparkly. I think that'll look nice on the top of some soaps. Then I got some cantaloupe to try. I didn't have anything that was this kind of light orangey color, so I wanted to give that a try. Got some Copper Penny, a nice shiny mica. Then the dark navy blue. I really liked this one. Interested to see how dark it actually is in soap, but I really liked that one. Then for kind of just a regular brown, I got some Magic Mushroom to try out. And these little 5 gram bags, the price is not bad on. They're $1.50, so it's a good way to try out some different micas. I got a natural gray and a nocturnal, and I'm pretty excited for the soap I have planned for these. Some gold dust and Vira glitter. I didn't have any gold glitter, so picked up some of that. Some moonshine glitter, really pretty blue and Vira glitter. Then this is a 1 ounce one. It's bronze brown. I already have this one, but needed to restock it because I use it quite a bit. It's one of my favorite browns. And then I got a Hello Spring, so just a nice springy leaf green color. Then the last set that I got was, let me see what they actually called it on here. It's the Epic Color Sample Set. And this was $9.45. And they've come out with some mica pigment blends, and I wanted to give those a try. Really intense colors. This is Material Girl, so a nice pink. Making Waves, I think that's a really nice blue. Queen for a Day. Trial by Fire, really excited to try this red. I think they say it gives you a pretty true red, so excited to try that. Full Throttle, which this definitely is a full throttle kind of color. That's a very neon yellow. Same for this green, Force of Nature. And finally, Eye of the Tiger. So very excited to try these mica pigment blends because I think you'll get kind of the best of both worlds. You know, the ease of a mica and then the intense color of the pigment. So that was my quick haul for today. So hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.